a grilling cheese from Cyprus. I don't know if you've heard of this stuff.
It's got no carbs in it.
And it'll keep the grill marks and it won't melt. So that gives me the idea that we're going to use it to make an American sandwich, a BLT. This is just the idea. Let's try it. Let's do this. Bacon, lettuce, and tomato. First thing we're gonna do is make the bacon. I threw down 3 pieces on camera, but I actually ended up making 6 because I really want to stack the sandwich. Roma tomatoes, some hydroponic lettuce. Roma tomatoes are definitely like the lowest in sugar as far as tomatoes go. Hydroponically grown lettuce is awesome, but it's usually dirty. So we're gonna wash this real quick. Keep cooking this here bacon. Gorgeous. Now let's check out this cheese. I've never used it before. Halloumi cheese, also called grilling cheese. The stuff I bought is pre-sliced. I got it at Trader Joe's. I'm just using like a regular grill pan here. If you don't have a grill pan, you might have one outside, like an actual grill. But this thing worked pretty well. Now this cheese really reminds me of like a harder cheese curd or like squeaky curds. I don't know if you've ever had those before, but like you chew on them and it like squeaks in your mouth. I don't know, very interesting thing. You can see that it's stuck a little bit. I did forget to grease my pan, but it wasn't the end of the world. Still turned out well. Now we're gonna put our little buns down. We're gonna start stacking lettuce, tomato, bacon on there. I did a double stack of bacon. Used a little toothpick here to hold them together. Look at these little BLT sliders, man. These things turned out so awesome. This was delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. Share the video. You know somebody out there would love it. Keep it keto. Peace.